Taylor Swift oozed sophistication in a long brown coat over a ribbed green dress while arriving to the Electric Lady recording studio in Greenwich Village. While on her way to make some music on Tuesday, the pop star, 34, turned heads as she emerged from her vehicle in the rainy weather and made a beeline into the studio. She paired her chic ensemble with a pair of thigh-high black leather boots, tan Saint Laurent bag, multiple layered gold necklaces, dangly earrings and a matching ring. The 12-time Grammy winner, who was in Los Angeles over the weekend for the 2024 Golden Globes, sported her signature red lipstick and golden blonde tresses in loose waves. Over the years, the beloved performer has recorded some of her most cherished albums at Electric Lady Studios, including her hit record, Lover, released in 2019. At this time, it is unknown if she is working on new music or making progress in her journey of re-recording all the songs from her first 6 albums. She only has 2 albums left to re-record, which are her debut, eponymous album, and 6th, Reputation. Her commitment to making music is noticeably unparalleled, and even has her stepping out during a deadly winter storm that has caused chaos throughout the United States. Earlier in the day, news channels have warned residents of New York, Philadelphia and Boston to be on high alert as the storm approaches the Northeast. The storm has the potential to knock out power to the 55 million who live in the region and has already left a trail of damage. At least 3 fatalities have been reported due to the weather. Among them, an 81-year-old woman who died in Alabama as the storm created tornadoes in the southeast early Tuesday. The same system brought snow and travel headaches in the Midwest. The Mid-Atlantic has dealt with heavy rain and flooding. In North Carolina, more than 170,000 people lost power from the storm. Parts of historic Alexandria, Virginia, were underwater as floods filled streets. All 50 states were put on weather alerts because of the storm. The widespread heavy rain, strong winds and fierce thunderstorms which arrived on Tuesday are forecast to continue into the following day as utilities companies battle to restore power. A high wind warning is in place for New York State into Wednesday morning for gales of up to 70 miles per hour. New York City Mayor Eric Adams told residents to brace for more inclement weather, bringing potential for flooding as the day progresses. Over the weekend, Swift made headlines for seemingly gossiping about Kylie Jenner and Timothée Chalamet at the Golden Globes with her longtime best friend, Selena Gomez. Video from their table showed Gomez, 31, Swift, 34, and Miles Teller's wife Kelly Sperry having an extremely animated discussion, with a somber Selena waxing lyrical to a shocked Taylor and Kelly, before the latter is clearly heard clarifying, with Timothée, as Selena nods. Lip reader Jeremy Freeman exclusively uncovered the trio's conversation for Daily Mail. Alleging Selena was denied a photo with Timothée, 28, and claiming she feared upsetting him and Kylie, 26. Freeman says Selena dished to Taylor and Kelly. He didn't want a picture with me, he said no, with Kelly responding, "Timotei." Taylor then whispered in Selena's ear, with the Only Murders in the Building actress allegedly saying, "I tried, I couldn't. It'll upset em." Gomez, however, claimed that she was actually gossiping about two friends that hooked up, even though Kelly is heard clearly stating Timotei's name. She wrote on social media, "Knew I told Taylor about two of my friends who hooked up. Not that that's anyone's business." Selena and Timotei previously starred as love interests in Woody Allen film A Rainy Day in New York back in 2018. Taylor was picked at the post to the Cinematic and Box Office Achievement Award, a new category for the 2024 Globes, as her The Eras Tour movie lost to Barbie and was seen being consoled by BFF Selena before the drama began.